Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Adams Teaches Grammar. Today we are very much going back to basics. It dawned on me that in some of my videos and when I'm in the classroom, I give advice based on what a sentence is. So when I'm helping someone avoid comma splices, I say, look on either side of the comma. Is that a sentence? Is that a sentence? Or if I'm telling people how to use capital letters and full stops, I say, well, where does your sentence begin and where does it end? And it dawned on me that there could be many people sat at home or sat in my classroom thinking, I'm not 100% certain what it even means to be a sentence, what the kind of basic components are. So in just a few minutes, I'm going to explain that for you. So the first thing that you need to know about a sentence is that all sentences, no matter whether they are quite simple structures or very long complex ones, they have to include a verb. What's a verb, you ask? A verb, quite simply, is a doing word. So things like to jump, to sing, to dance. So every sentence, no matter how basic or simple in its construction, has to have a minimum of one verb. Now, for the sake of this little tutorial, I'm going to simply talk to you about the most basic sentence construction. If you want something more detailed, then there is a video coming your way about the 4 different types of sentence construction and what makes them up. So maybe stay tuned for that one. But for this, we are just going to focus on the basic construction. So we've already discovered that every sentence needs to have a verb. Every sentence also needs to have a subject. Now, what is a subject? Okay, it's quite a grammatical term here. A subject is the thing or the person that is doing the verb, that is actually acting on the verb. So let's take the verb to kick. In order to change to kick into a sentence, you have to have a subject, someone doing the action. So, I kick is the most basic form of a sentence. I is the subject, I'm the one doing it, I kick, okay? Now you can change tense, so you could go past tense, I kicked. That works. You can put a full stop at the end of that because the main basics of a sentence are in there. You've got your subject, you've got your verb. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't add more to it. So for example, you can add an object. What's an object? An object is quite simply the thing that the verb is acting upon. So if the subject is the person doing it, the object is what it's being done to. So perfect example in this sentence would be, I kicked the ball. Yeah, subject, I kicked, verb, the ball, object. That is your basic sentence, okay? So when I say, try not to comma splice, don't put a comma in between complete sentences, and I say, have a look, is that a sentence? Yes. Is that a sentence? Yes. Comma shouldn't go between them. That's what you're looking for. They complete structures, subject, verb, possibly object. Now, like I said, you can obviously have far more complicated sentence structures than that, but that is for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did so, please press subscribe and then you'll be aware of all of the new videos coming your way. You can also have a little look at the playlists on my channel to see if there are any other videos that will help you with your study of either English literature or language. So from me, that's all. Just to say happy revising, happy writing, happy punctuation. See you later.